Hey, what is going on? Welcome back in this video after a long time. Okay, in this video I'm gonna show you how to download black and white images from Google. Just black and white, okay? So first open the Google first, click on images and search here soccer player, whatever you want. Okay, I'm gonna search soccer player. Okay, then click on tools, and as you guys can see there are all colorful images and I want only black and white from Google. So just click on tools. Okay, then you can see here color, click on it and there is black and white. Just click on it and you will get all images in black and white. Nice. I'm gonna get one of these. Okay, this one. This is very low quality image, and then this pillar. Click save again, open this picture. Yes, that's what I want. I hope you like this video and make sure to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and I will see you guys in the next video.